If you're over 40, eat these 5 foods every week. As we get older, our bodies have different needs. The right foods can make a huge difference in our energy levels, our appearance, and our overall health. So, let's talk about 5 simple, powerful foods to add to your weekly routine. First up, fatty fish like salmon. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are incredible for your brain and heart. They help reduce inflammation, which is a key factor in many age-related diseases. Plus, the high-quality protein in salmon helps you maintain muscle mass, which naturally declines after 40. For women, it can even help with hormone balance. Next, load up on dark leafy greens. Think spinach, kale, and arugula. These are nutritional powerhouses, essential for keeping your mind sharp and your bones strong. They are full of vitamin K for bone health and antioxidants that protect your heart and may even slow cognitive decline. A simple salad or a side of sautéed greens can do wonders. Third on our list is berries. Blueberries in particular are your best friends. They are bursting with antioxidants that fight off the damage from stress and the environment. Regularly eating berries can help protect your brain from the effects of aging and keep you feeling sharp and focused. Fourth, make nuts a regular snack, especially walnuts. Studies have shown that people who regularly eat nuts have a lower risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Walnuts, in particular, are linked to healthier aging. A handful of walnuts is a convenient and satisfying snack that can make a real difference. Finally, embrace olive oil. This isn't just for cooking, it's a health food in its own right. Olive oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that fight inflammation. In fact, some studies suggest that regular olive oil consumption can even help protect your brain from age-related decline. So, drizzle it on your salads, use it in your cooking, and enjoy the benefits. So there you have it, 5 simple foods to help you thrive after 40. It's not about a restrictive diet. It's about making smart, delicious choices that will keep you feeling your best for years to come.